Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Check Android version and carrier restrictions, and make sure your battery is above 20%. Now open Settings and tap Network and Internet. Once in, enable Wi-Fi or mobile data so you can test changes immediately. If you plan to edit APN, have the provider's APN name, APN, username, and password ready. You're doing this to ensure changes apply correctly, and you can verify connectivity as soon as you save settings. You'll now make the detailed changes that control connectivity. Tap Mobile Network and choose access point names. Tap the plus to add or edit entries, fill name, APN, MMSC, proxy, and port exactly as your carrier specifies, then save. For Wi-Fi, long press Saved Networks to modify security type or add a hidden SSID and password. Also set mobile data preferences like preferred network type and data roaming, so your phone uses the right signal and you're at the finish line. Save every change and then toggle airplane mode on and off to force the phone to re-register on the network. Once done, test connectivity by loading a web page or streaming a short video. Make sure speeds match expectations. If things go wrong, reset network settings to restore defaults, re-enter APN precisely, and reboot. One key troubleshooting tip: verify carrier account status and SIM seeding before deeper resets, because service blocks or loose SIMs are common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.